Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mirror for your iClone 8. So start from now. I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make a mirror in front or just behind of any avatar with 3D animations. So first, I'm going to just select some props. It is over here. Under the props, search for mirror. You should be able to find it here, the mirror prop. And now you can see just a few mirrors. Just drag and drop into here. If you render it, you should be able to see the mirror here. Even if you set as the prop or even the real time animations, you still can see it as the mirror. So actually you can make more mirror. I just made one more here. See, look, you can see the mirror play. This is the glass clear. Alright, or you can test more. One more, the mirror circle. Now we have a two-side mirror. And of course, if you just want to render with the mirror, it only can just have one side. It cannot have the unlimited multiple reflections at here. But at least in iClone 8, you can have the mirror. So when you play, it will support the real-time animation as well. But what about if here you set to quick mode? Now if you set to quick mode, you cannot see the real-time animations of the mirror. Here you should set it to high, or at least set it to medium, so that you can see the mirror image. Something like this. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create the mirror for your iClone 8 3D animation software. With the mirror, you can just have the photorealistic mirror reflections in your iClone 8 3D animations rendering. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!